when we're multiplying matrices, it's not the same as adding, where I just take matching cells and multiply them together and say, oh, I'm going to take 1 times -5 and get -5 and 0 times 6 and get 0. That's not how matrix multiplication works. I have to take, when I do a matrix and I multiply it, I'm just going to show with a 2 by 2 matrix here. I get A, B, C, D times E, F, G, and H. So I've got this matrix here. When I do this multiplication, I have to take row by column, and I have to add stuff. So up here, this top right cell would be A times E plus B times G. So I go across on the first one and down on the second one, and I do that for each cell. So when I want this top right cell, I do A times F plus B times H. And then the bottom left cell, I do C times E, D times plus D times G. And then the bottom right cell, it's D times F plus D times H. And whatever I end up with there for numbers, that's my answer. So when I take 1, 0, 1, 2, and I multiply that by this B, -5, 6, 4, 6, multiplying these together, it's 1 times -5 plus 0 times 4. And then it's 1 times 6 plus 0 times 6. And then 1 times -5 plus 2 times 6. And then 1 times, nope, I made a mistake there. That's 2 times 4. And then 1 times 6 plus 2 times 6. And then I would simplify this out. I'd have -5 plus 0. I'd have 6 plus 0. I'd have -5 plus 8. And I'd have 6 plus 12. Now, if you can do that without showing this middle step, that's fine. You don't have to show that. You can do that in your head if you'd like to. Not a problem there. Now, when I switch these and do B times A, I'm going to go ahead and show that middle step again one more time. -5 times 1 plus 6 times 1. And -5 times 0 and 6 plus 6 times 2. 4 times 1 plus 6 times 1. And 4 times 0 plus 6 times 2. Simplify that down a little bit. -5 plus 6. 0 plus 12. 4 plus 6. 0 plus 12. And what we can see here, I just switched the order, but I did not get the same answer. So multiplication is not commutative. And that's because it's not just straight up multiplication, it's multiplying and adding together, and it's this row times column kind of process. So they will not be the same.